Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our EVS online class, and from this is our you all know that this is our third round of revision which we are doing. So I hope you all are very well prepared for your exams. You all have started learning, you all have started practicing all your subjects. And children, I hope you all have given your revision test exams which were conducted till yesterday, and I hope you all have given your revision test very nicely. Okay, so now children, it's time to get started with our last part of our revision for today. So as you all know that yesterday we have done chapter number 14, 15 and 16 book exercises, and before that we left our 12 and 13 chapter book exercises. So today we are going to do those two chapters book exercises. Is that clear? So make sure children that when I will be explaining you these exercises, you should concentrate on the video and you have to watch these videos very carefully. So let's get started with this children without wasting our time. So our today's revision is revision number 2.4 because this is the fourth part of these chapters. Okay, I have divided this time the chapters in 4 parts. Okay, revision in 4 parts. So this is our chapter number 12 and chapter number 13. So our first exercise for today is children of part A, that is part A, take the correct answers. Here I have not given all the correct all the questions, but I have picked out some few which are very important questions and I have written here. Okay, so listen to each and every question very carefully children. First exercise is of take the correct answers. So listen to it carefully. First sentence, it is asking you, we should not play with, the two options are balls, blades. Okay, first option is balls and second option is blades. Now here you have to read the question that what is it asking, and then you have to identify that which option is the correct option and you have to put a tick in front of that correct option. So the question is we should not play with, हमें किससे नहीं खेलना चाहिए, not play, balls या blades. क्या हमें ball से नहीं खेलना चाहिए? Of course we can play with balls, but we should not play with blades. Okay, because they can harm us. They are sharp objects and they can harm us. So we will put a tick in front of blades. Okay, now coming to the second question, which animals markings are painted on roads? कौन से animal की markings रोड पे पेंट की जाती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि we should cross the road from that crossing? Is it a zebra or is it a lion? Absolutely correct. The answer is zebra, and you will put a tick in front of zebra. That is why it is said that we should always cross the road from zebra crossing. Zebra crossing, why? Because on the roads you must have seen there are black and white lines, stripes painted, and black and white lines are painted, the markings of the zebra animal. Okay, zebra is the animal with black and white lines. Now coming to the third question, which landform is good for growing crops? कौन सा landform crops को grow करने के लिए सबसे best है? Is it mountains or is it plains? So the correct answer is plains, 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 because on mountains or hills we cannot grow crops because they are made up of very hard rocks. Coming to the fourth question, which one is a very large water body? Now among these two, between these two options, you have to tell that which is the very large water body. सबसे बड़ी water body कौन सी है? Is it ocean or is it a lake? So the correct answer is ocean. You will put a tick in front of ocean. Now coming to the fifth sentence, which landform has very few animals and plants? अब कौन सा landform ऐसा है जिसमें बहुत कम animals और plants होते हैं? So between hills and deserts, which is the landform which have very few animals and plants? This is deserts. Correct answer is deserts. Why? Because desert is a place which is surrounded with sand from all sides. Okay, it is a large area which is covered with sand. Desert is only sand and you cannot find water. There is very few water, so animals and plants are also very few. Okay, because mainly animals and plants require water, a lot of water, and only those animals and plants can survive there which require very less water. Okay, now I hope these 5 questions are very clear to you all. Once again, children, I am repeating, listen to it carefully. First question, we should not play with balls or blades. Correct answer is blades. Second question, which animals' markings are painted on roads? Zebra or lion? Correct answer is zebra. Third question, which landform is good for growing crops? 2 options are mountains and plains. Correct answer is plains. Fourth question, which one is a very large water body? 2 options are ocean and lake. Correct answer is ocean. And in the last 5th question, which landform has very few animals and plants? 2 options are hills and deserts, and the correct answer is deserts. So children, I hope you all have understood this exercise very carefully, very nicely. And now moving towards our second exercise. Now, children, moving towards our second exercise, that is part B. Listen to it carefully. Write the names of landforms or water body having the following features. Now, there are some sentences given. You have to read those sentences and you have to find out that which type of, which is the name or what is the name of a landform or water body which year it is asked. Okay, so let's get started. Listen to it very carefully. First one, a level and flat land. एक level और flat land किसको बोला जाता है? Very easy, plain, 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 you all know that. Coming to the second, a raised landform much larger than a hill. Raised landform means थोड़ा landform जो ऊंचा हो. Okay, raised, बढ़ा हुआ. Much larger than a hill. Hill से थोड़ा बड़ा, much larger, hill से काफी बड़ा. So what is that landform known as? Mountain. MOUNTAIN, mountain. Hills are shorter than mountains. You all know that. Now coming to the third one, a low land between hills. 2 hills के बीच में या hills के बीच में जो low land होता है, सबसे नीचे वाला area, that is known as valley. VALLEY, valley. Clear to you all? Now coming to the fourth sentence, people enjoy boating in this water body. कौन सी water body ऐसी है जिसमें लोग enjoy करते हैं boating के लिए? Okay, so that is the lake. LAKE, lake. Now coming to the fifth sentence, last sentence, a big salty water body. एक बहुत बड़ी water body जिसका water salty है. We cannot use it for drinking purpose. Okay, so that water body is sea and ocean. Now children, I have written both the options, sea also and ocean also. In the exams, if it is given, then you can write only one option. If it is asked to write 2, then you will write sea and ocean. And if it is only asked to write 1, then you will write sea or ocean. Okay, you can write any one. So the spelling is SEAC and OCEAN, ocean. So I hope you all have understood these 5 sentences, this exercise. Now coming to, once again I am repeating, so please listen to it carefully. First one, a level and flat land, that is plain, PLAIN, plain. Second is a raised landform much larger than a hill. Answer is mountain, MOUNTAIN, mountain. Third is a low land between hills. Answer is valley, VALLEY, valley. Fourth is people enjoy boating in this water body. Answer is lake, LAKE, lake. Fifth is a big salty water body. Answer is sea and ocean, SEAC and OCEAN, ocean. So that is all for today, children. I hope you all have understood this revision exercise, both the exercises of both the 2 chapters. Now children, you all know that from 1st of March your schools are reopening. After a very long time your schools are getting reopened. So make sure that you come to school, take your precautions, and with precautions you will be coming to school. And in school we will be doing our final revision, which will be very important for your exams. Is that clear, children? So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.